Alright, 1951 Chevy Bel-Air, two-door hardtop. Actually a pretty cool car. Not as bad as it looks, as a matter of fact. Justin and I bought this probably 10 years ago. And I've only started it once or twice since. And since the weather's about to turn on us, I thought this would be one of the last cars up on the lot here that we haven't started this year. And we're running out of time. So let's see if this car will go. We'll have a quick look. Hood opens nice. Almost stays open. I have no idea what's going on here. Where did we leave off with this thing? I don't even remember. Well, we got power. We've got, what's the fuel situation? Oh, it has a fuel pump. Does that mean that there's a fuel tank in the trunk of this thing? I can't remember. I hope it's not latched, and it's latched. Okay. Oh yeah. Got some fuel. I hope this is empty. More or less. When I got this car, we did do a fair amount of work to it, so I'd like to see if it still goes. Somebody had put the thermostat in upside down and had blown the head gasket, and so we fixed that. I put a head gasket in it and didn't do too much else. It probably went through the carb lightly. So threw a battery. I believe I bought a fuel pump for it too, or something that was close and made it work. It looks like we have rigged it up with a certain amount of wiring as well, so that's nice. I'm hoping, if all that is still intact, that it'll crank over and maybe even start. This door doesn't work for some reason. This is comfy, eh? Are we in A gear here? Oh dear, that's right, it's got this system on the floor here. Okay, I think it was a matter of turning it on with that and then touching those two wires together. Pretty crypty in here. Okay, some neutral maybe. That's got to be neutral. Neutral. Nice. Okay. Fuel, I guess. Hey, what do you got there? That's a nice branch, Frankers. Good girl. Great. Well, so much for today's video. Okay, well, it wouldn't be fun if it wasn't a pain in the ass, I guess. See if we can see what the hell's going on. Oh, there's a wire off. That's good too. Good to have that. Okay, go get some sandpaper, clean the points, I guess. Everything seems to be intact. Alright, well, can't do much except try it again. Signs of life, a little bit. Now the starter's jammed or something. Delightful. Yeah. Yeah, everything's there. Everything's fine. So, it's fine. It's all fine. It's fine. Fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's goddamn fine. It's just fucking fine. Choke it, maybe? Alright, it liked that. So you're telling me you just needed some choke. And the throttle linkage is obviously a bit stiff. Let's dump some water in it. This one leaks really bad, so water only, and then we'll just drain it out as soon as we're done. Temp gauge works, nice. We got lots of oil pressure, which is fine, I guess. This car would have originally probably had a 216, like the 50 Fleetline there. And I'm guessing that it was, when it was customized, you guys saw the sweet tail fin job. My guess is that when they customized the car, they probably put a 235 Chevy truck engine in it. And that's why the oil pressure gauge is pinned, because the original 216 would have been a splash loop motor, and it would have sat around 5 or 10 in operating condition. And these engines, the 235, a full pressure engine, so probably correctly reading 30 to 50 psi when running, so it's going to just pin the gauge but that's fine too, whatever. Better than 0 PSI. We have some of those. Okay, so, well, all that's left to do now is go for a drive, I think. Maybe we'll put the skirts back on. Gotta detail it up. All right, looking good. Good to get this stuff out of here, though. Don't want that. Don't want that. All right. Mint. Man, this leaks fast. We don't get to go very much of a drive, you guys. This thing pours water out. Lucky to get around the yard once. Okay. Let's try again here. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the show today. Hope you enjoyed starting up the 1951 Chevy Bel-Air, going for a very difficult drive around the yard, trying to fly the drone and drive the car at the same time with no throttle return spring. Always an adventure. For reasons you can probably guess, no in-car cam really during that little adventure. Nevertheless, a terrific old car. These General Motors hardtops of the early 50s, not my thing at all. That's a ominous foreshadowing, you guys, coming up on Saturday. Also, thanks so much to everybody who bought a calendar. I still have a couple left I need to sell. Well, a couple of hundred, honestly. If anybody's not got one and you're thinking of it, please do go to the store at CWMCstore.com and pick one up. Very much appreciated. It's how we keep the old show on the road, and then we can so we can squander our funding on classic hardtops. All right, I got to go take Frankers for a walk. We'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.